Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log your Windows PC while keeping the current screen visible. So let's get started. First, let's download the application from the Microsoft Store. So let's open Microsoft Store from the Start menu, and in the search box type the application name as INVLOCK. Once you find this application, go to its store page. Now install the application. Wait for Windows to download and install the application. Once the installation is complete, click open. Now let's take a quick look at the individual log interface and its default setting. Here you can also see the log and unlock shortcut key. Here we can see the different options available in the application. And one of the most useful feature of this application is use Windows lock screen to unlock. As you can see, this option is currently turned off. For now, I will leave it turned off so we can first see how the invisible log works with the default settings. Now let's test the main feature. So let's first minimize the application interface, and I'll press the invisible log shortcut key, which is Ctrl Shift and L. And you'll see here the message saying lock screen active. As you can see, the current screen is still visible, but the computer is now locked. I can still see everything that was on the computer screen before the lock was activated, but I can't normally interact with the computer, nor I can use my keyboard or my mouse. Now, to unlock the lock screen, I have to press the shortcut key again, which is Ctrl Shift and L, and the message will appear lock screen is inactive. Now let's see what happens when we enable another useful option. So let's open its application interface again. Now let's see what happens when we enable the another useful options, that is use Windows lock screen to unlock. So I turn on this option. When this option is enabled, we can use the normal Windows lock screen and our Windows password or PIN to unlock the invisible lock screen. Now let's test the invisible lock screen again. Let's minimize the application interface. First, I'll lock the screen by pressing Ctrl Shift and L. Again, the current screen remains visible and the computer is locked. But these times when I try to unlock it, Windows will use the normal Windows sign-in screen. Now I can enter my normal Windows PIN or password, and I enter here my Windows password. Here we are back to the desktop. So by turning on use Windows lock screen to unlock, we can use our existing Windows sign-in method to unlock the invisible lock screen. So that's how invisible works. First, we test the application with its default settings, where use Windows lock screen to unlock was turned off. Then we enable the option and show how it allows us to unlock the invisible lock using the normal Windows password or PIN. So that's how you can use this application to lock your Windows PC while keeping the current screen visible. So if you found this application useful, Click on the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips, tricks and useful tools. And thanks for watching my video.